So, as you can already tell, I built a boat. Hold on. As you can tell, I already built a boat, and we're going to launch. So, welcome back to the game of Build a Boat for Treasure, which is a very fun game. And first, we're going to try to make it all the way to the end without dying, and that's going to be for the video. Let's hope I make it. Ow. Ouch. No! I don't want to die. Okay, I died. Well, that was a huge waste. Okay, let's go at it again. Alright. Now, let's see. I think I'm gonna use... Hold on, let me just... There we go, I built the outside of my boat. Yes, I know, it looks like a huge fork. But it's worth it. Okay, now I think I'm gonna just add... Hold on, I'm gonna add these cannons to the front. Just so that... hold on, I'm just gonna... No, I want it right there. And then... Hold on. There we go. And we got it. And then I'm gonna add the motor. Can't forget that. There we go. Now it looks like a huge lump. You know what? Just for fun, I'm gonna add these. And then... Hold on, where's the main chair? There you are. That's a lot of things. It's good. Okay. I think it looks good. Don't you think? Okay, now I'm going to get out of there and launch my boat. Hopefully, this works out. Especially with the boat being a giant pitchfork. Okay, already off to a good start. Oh no. Oh my goodness, I barely squeezed through this. Uh-oh. No! My can got hit. Oof. So far, my pitchfork is doing good. No! One of my cannons broke. Uh-oh. Wait a minute. Fork with hot dog. No! My fork is surviving! I did not want to hear what that sound. I do not want to know where that sound came from, is what I meant to say. No! Uh-oh. Okay, I'm good so far. Now I'm actually kind of glad I took that turn. Okay, so far so good. Wait, back up. I want to reduce the damage, but there's so many rocks in the way. Ouch. No, this time it's real forks. Ugh. No, the motor broke! OMG. Uh-oh. Help! Come on, please. OMG. If this ship makes it to the end, I'm gonna be so shocked. Oh no. I'm running out of ship. Uh-oh. I'm running out of ship. What? No! I died. Okay then. Oh wow! I made it to the last stage. Oh my goodness. Well, I'm satisfied, I guess. So, if you like this video, then please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!